This is a tutorial on how to get started with Spice.ai. You can follow along on this website, it's linked in our description. You're going to need a coding software like VS Code or an equivalent downloaded on your computer. As you can see, I have it open to the terminal here. And we can scroll down and grab our install script and copy that into our terminal. I already have Homebrew downloaded, so I'm able to just download that right into my terminal. If you do not have Homebrew installed, you'll want to install that by going to Homebrew's website, clicking on their install script, copying that into your terminal, and then clicking the Homebrew install option. After you've run this, you're going to want to initialize a new Spice app by copying in this command. And you can name your app whatever you want. I'm naming it 1. Next, you'll want to create a path to that directory, and I'll change the name to be the same as the previous name. And I'll add a quick start configuration to my Spicepod. Now that that's loaded, I'm going to go to my files and search up the name of my app and open it up. It will open in VS Code, and you can see the quick start has been populated into here. Next, if you wanted to add an OpenAI model, you could copy this right under where this quick start is, and then add your key into the .env file. I'm not going to do that today. Instead, I'm just going to type spice run into my console. And now that that's run, you can see your app is up and working, and you're ready to start with the cookbook videos. Thank you.